What up YouTube, this is Rather Be Welding coming at you again with another homemade project. Today, we have this thing. I think this is part 6. This is going to be the last video because I'm scrapping this project. I'm scrapping this bike. I have spent 5 days trying to improve this thing, trying to get this thing to go fast. What I've done is there used to be a giant hub with 3 sprockets. I took that off and welded this on. That didn't work. So, yeah, this thing putts. It not only putts, it putts really, this thing just sucks. That's it. It just sucks. It's crappy design, and, this thing putts maybe like 15 miles an hour on flat road, but yet it can barely make it up a hill. I don't get it. So what I'm doing is I'm just giving this thing a giant middle finger and saying, F you, I'm tired of you, so I'm just scrapping this. I'm taking every component, everything I've bought, the motor, the sprockets, and everything, and I'm going to put it on that bike. So, and I'm going to try to replicate this. This is the very best, very fastest machine, motorized bike, whatever you want to call it, thing I have ever made. This thing hauls ass. So, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to scrap this and rebuild. I'm going to take all the sprockets, everything over here, and put it on that bike. Hopefully the smaller tires, the better frame, a brand new project is going to make it so this thing can work. So this project can go at least over 15 miles an hour. So, and I'm probably going to just, put a little clip of how slow this thing goes at the end of this video, but and something I realized, I have tried, why is it every time I try to film a project that I make, the project ends up failing? The project ends up being a complete total waste, and I look like an idiot, who doesn't know what he's doing, because I don't know, I remember this, I tried making a motorized skateboard, and I made 2 videos of that, and that skateboard didn't work, so I ended up scrapping it. And so, yeah, and same with this. 6 videos? 7? I don't know. Videos of this thing, and the project didn't work out. So, I'm just giving it a giant middle finger and saying I'm restarting. Restarting with that bike. So, what I'm not going to do, in hopes that this does work, I'm not going to film how I do it. I'm just going to film its progress. Maybe that, I don't know, maybe I I don't know, give myself bad luck or something like that when I film how I do stuff, and how, showing how I do it and film it and upload it to YouTube. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to film little progress videos and stuff like that. Same thing I did with the ATV. The ATV worked out fine. So what I'm going to do is exactly that. Yeah. Enough rambling. Oops. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show a little video of how freaking slow this thing goes and how much it sucks going up a hill. So, yeah. Yeah, okay. So, let's see how slow and pitiful this thing can go.
boy.
Well, I guess this thing is kind of fast. But, you know, yeah, it's fast when you're going down a hill. When you're going up a hill, I mean, you know, and like, because, you know, even though I replaced this sprocket with just this, I'm still able to change these gears. So, going up hills, I like maybe going like third gear, and then going down hills, I go in, how many gears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 gears on this thing. So downhill, I go in 6th gear. So it goes a little fast, but in first gear going up a hill, or second or third, it still putts. So, you know, I don't know. I'm just not really satisfied with this thing. So, giving it the finger and saying I'm restarting it. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe and look for more videos where I junk this thing and put all the stuff on that bike. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.